Hello guys, welcome to my channel All About Products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Introducing the SanDisk 2TB Extreme Portable SSD. Fast, high-capacity storage built for adventure. With up to 1050 megabytes per second read and 1000 megabytes per second write speeds, transfer files in a flash. Its rugged design withstands drops up to 3 meters and features IP65 water and dust resistance. Plus, with password protection, your content stays safe wherever you go. Introducing the external CD/DVD drive with a USB 3.0 plug-and-play design for fast and effortless use. Featuring a pop-up design and max speed performance, it lets you burn disks, backup data, install software, install operating systems, and copy files with ease. The embedded cable design keeps things neat, while the anti-slip base ensures stability. Lightweight and portable, it's the perfect companion for all your disk reading and writing needs. Introducing the portable external hard drive, a plug-and-play solution for all your storage needs. With its sleek matte black design and super speed performance, you can quickly transfer and access your files with ease. Simply drag and drop to save files, making backups and organization effortless. Compact and reliable, it's the perfect place to store all your important data. Introducing the UnionSine Ultra Slim Portable External Hard Drive, a high-speed plug-and-play storage solution designed for convenience. With USB 3.0 connectivity, enjoy lightning-fast data transfers for seamless file backup, storage, and expansion. Its ultra-slim, lightweight design makes it perfect for work, school, or entertainment, wherever you go. Simply plug it in and start saving your important files instantly. Reliable, stylish, and portable, this external hard drive ensures your data is always safe and accessible. Introducing the Samsung T7 Portable SSD, the perfect blend of speed, durability, and style. With blazing fast transfers, you can move large files in a flash. Its compact metal design is built to withstand drops up to 6 feet, ensuring durability on the go. Multi-device compatibility and easy firmware updates make it a reliable choice for seamless storage and performance. Introducing the crucial P310 Gen 4 SSD, experience next-level speed for work or play. Shift up to Gen 4 performance for faster load times, seamless multitasking, and improved efficiency. Upgrade your system and buy smarter with cutting-edge speed and reliability. The AMD Ryzen 7780X 3D brings 8 cores and 16 threads of powerhouse performance, perfect for gaming and content creation. With 3DV cache technology, enjoy faster load times and improved efficiency. Unlock next-level speed and responsiveness for an unbeatable desktop experience. Stay cool and comfortable with the keyboard wrist rest with fans. This ergonomic wrist support features built-in fans to keep your hands cool during long hours of work or gaming. Its angle-adjustable design ensures perfect alignment for easy typing and wrist pain relief. Compatible with all keyboards and mice, it's the ultimate accessory for reducing strain and boosting productivity. Sleek, durable, and stylish in black, this wrist rest is a must-have for any workstation. Boost your productivity with the Hot Yeah Triple Laptop Screen Extender, featuring dual 15.6-inch stacked monitors that offer crystal clear 1080p IPS resolution. Compatible with both Windows and Mac, this portable solution connects easily via USB-C or HDMI for seamless plug-and-play functionality. The foldable design includes a kickstand for easy setup and 180-degree rotation for flexible viewing angles. Perfect for multitaskers, it turns your laptop into a full workstation in seconds. Take your work on the go with this space-saving, high-performance screen extender. Are you tired of your laptop overheating? Introducing the Laptop Cooler Cooling Pad. With a high-speed fan, it keeps your device cool and running smoothly. Designed for laptops of different sizes, it also works with various devices. Featuring 2 USB ports and an adjustable height for maximum comfort. Stay cool and boost your laptop's performance today. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.